Why most diets fail and how Chia solves it. Most diets are set up to fail before you even begin. And it's not your lack of willpower, it's not that you're lazy, and it's not even about eating too much. The diet industry hides the truth. That's why millions lose weight fast, then gain it all back. But here's the twist. A tiny seed, smaller than your fingernail, might be the simple solution they don't want you to know about. Think about it. How many times have you tried a new diet? Maybe it was low carb, keto, intermittent fasting, or even skipping meals altogether. You start strong, the first week feels good, you even see the scale drop. But then cravings hit, energy crashes, and before you know it, you're back at square one. Sound familiar? Well, in today's video, we're going to break down exactly why most diets fail, what your body is secretly doing against you, and how something as simple as chia seeds can help you finally break that cycle. The number one reason diets fail isn't because you don't have discipline. It's because diets often ignore your biology. Here's the reality. Your body is built for survival. The second it thinks you're starving, it slows down your metabolism, increases hunger hormones, and makes you crave high-calorie foods. That's why, no matter how hard you push through, it feels like your own body is fighting you. And that's not a lack of motivation, that's biology. And here's the kicker. Most fad diets push quick fixes that spike and crash your blood sugar. You know that hangry feeling when you skip a meal? That's your body begging for balance. So the problem isn't you, it's the diet itself. And this is exactly where chia seeds come in. Before we dive deeper, hit the subscribe button because I've got more simple, natural hacks just like this that actually work with your body, not against it. So why are chia seeds such a game changer? They're not just some trendy superfood. Chia seeds have been used for thousands of years. Ancient Aztec warriors carried them for endurance. But here's why they're so powerful for weight loss. When you soak chia seeds in water, they expand up to 10 times their size. That gel-like texture slows down digestion, keeps you full longer, and stabilizes your blood sugar. Translation: fewer cravings, steady energy, and less overeating. And how do they actually fix the diet problem? Remember what I said about blood sugar spikes? A slice of white bread shoots your insulin through the roof, shuts down fat burning, and leaves you crashing an hour later. But when you add chia seeds to your breakfast, whether it's in a smoothie, yogurt, or even just water, they form a gel in your stomach. That gel slows the release of sugar into your bloodstream, meaning no crash, no cravings, and no sudden hunger pangs. Here's where it gets even better. Another reason diets fail is because they leave you deficient in key nutrients. Low-carb diets? You miss fiber. Low-fat diets? You miss omega-3s. But chia seeds? They're packed with both. Just 2 tablespoons give you 10 grams of fiber, a solid dose of plant-based omega-3s, plus protein and minerals like magnesium and calcium. Instead of starving your body, chia feeds it exactly what it needs. Here's the hidden reason clean eating and workouts still don't burn belly fat: stress. Why? Because of stress. High stress pumps out cortisol, your belly fat hormone, and most diets do nothing about it. But chia seeds? Their fiber and omega-3s actually help reduce cortisol by calming inflammation and balancing hormones. That's why so many people notice less bloating and stubborn belly fat melting away after adding chia. It's not magic. It's just biology finally working for you, not against you. So let's break it down. Diets fail because they fight against your biology. They spike blood sugar, slow metabolism, increase cravings, and leave you stressed out. Chia seeds, on the other hand, flip the switch. They stabilize blood sugar, keep you full, fuel your body with omega-3s and fiber, and even help reduce stress hormones. No, they're not a magic pill, but they're a tool you can use every day to finally work with your body instead of against it. Here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to your breakfast. Do it for 1 week and watch your cravings vanish, energy rise, and belly shrink. Then come back and share your results in the comments. I read every reply, and your story might inspire someone else who feels stuck. If this video helped you, hit like so more people can finally escape failed diets, and subscribe for more simple, natural hacks that actually work.